especially on what is happening in Delhi. You are at a place where Sonia Gandhi comes to cast her ballot. What's the mood down on ground?
Well, I am at the polling booth that's been put up at the Nirman Bhavan, which is just across the road really from where Sonia Gandhi stays, and she's expected to come here at around 9:30. Just to give you a sense of what's really happening behind me, a huge security presence as it is expected because it is where Sonia Gandhi is going to be coming. There's an SPG cover here, of course. People have started trickling in, if you can get those shots behind me, Anand. And this is, of course, central Delhi, the New Delhi constituency where the fight, of course, now becomes three-way because there is AAP, it is Ajay Maken versus Meenakshi Lekhi versus Ashish Khaitan. The Congress has 7 sitting MPs right now in Delhi, and it's going to be a big challenge for each and every member of parliament from Delhi if they want to actually retain their position, because the AAP wave that was so evident in the assembly elections, if that's any teaser or any indicator, then it's going to be a tough challenge really for the Congress. And of course, Delhi is one place where Modi and his wave is also expected to make a big dent.
No, tough challenge for the Congress, Nandita, but quick question, what happened with the AAP-led government in Delhi? Is that going to have an impact? And also, a lot of the constituencies are strongholds as far as the assembly seats are concerned between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Is that likely to play a role, or will it be the personalities who are going head-to-head with each other?
Well, AAP, of course, has a stunning debut in December when, Delhi voted 28 seats. And, of course, it was a bit of an anticlimax the way Arvind Kejriwal decided to really throw his resignation in. So if you, are asking whether that's going to have an impact, yes, that has had an impact on the minds of the Delhi voters. There has been a drop in terms of the popularity chart of AAP and of Arvind Kejriwal. And that's where the Congress hopes to get back on track. They feel that the anti-Congress wave that was so evident in the assembly election has been blunted to a certain extent. But remember, that's also where the BJP is trying to come and fit itself in. They feel that the ground that's been lost by Arvind Kejriwal needs to be made up by the Modi wave. So pretty interesting here in Delhi, Anand.
Right. It is. Nandita, do stay on. We will go across to many of the other areas too and come back to you in just a bit. But first, let's also take a look, listen to some of the reactions that have come in so far.
आज पूरी दिल्ली में वोटिंग हो रही है लोकसभा के लिए और बहुत अच्छा मौसम भी है। पूरी दिल्ली बहुत जोश के साथ वोटिंग कर रही है और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि सारे पुराने रिकॉर्ड तोड़े जाएंगे।
सर, पिछला जो रिकॉर्ड था वो काफ़ी हेल्दी रिकॉर्ड था विधानसभा चुनाव का। लोकसभा चुनाव में वो दोहराया जाएगा, उसको और सुधारा जाएगा। जिस तरीके का रिस्पांस, जो उत्साह और जो ज़ील, एंथुजियाज्म हमें देखने को मिल रहा है, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि वो सारे रिकॉर्ड टूटेंगे। युवा वर्ग में, महिलाओं में और हर सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी के अंदर एक बहुत जोश है, अवेयरनेस है और हमारी सारी कैंपेन जो चली है वो लोगों को उत्साहित करने में चली है और जिस तरीके का रिस्पांस हम देख रहे हैं, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि सारे रिकॉर्ड टूटेंगे।
Let me cast my vote. Okay. Let me cast my vote along with my family and then I'll come and talk to you.
Ma'am, आप सामने से हटो।
I will not leave this place before I have spoken to you. Please. Okay, sir. Okay. General one नीचे करना बना कर आके देंगे।